Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do eyebrow tutorial, you guys. Yes, that's what we're going to do today. And I picked up 2 items from the beauty supply store, and then 1 item from the Dollar Tree. So the Dollar Tree one is this concealer. It's an essential ageless hydrating serum concealer. Correct. So we're going to use this concealer on our brows, and I also want to use this pomade. Okay, this is the Nicka gel brow pomade, long lasting, smooth and easy application, dark brown, and this is in the color NGE05 dark brown. Okay, and then another pencil that I found, let me wipe this off, that I found from the beauty supply store is called She Beauty and long lasting eyeliner. This was 99 cents, so I purchased one. So I'll be doing this next, but today let's just do the Nicka K pomade and see how that goes. Okay, so you guys already know you will need your brush to carve, and this already have a brush that comes in a kit, so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to set our brows, you guys. I don't think it's necessary, but due to me being oily, I just want to prevent, it won't hurt anything. So that's it. That's that's what we're gonna do. So now I'm going to open this Nicka K stuff here, and let's get with it. Okay, get with it. So you guys, we hit 5K, y'all. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys, my oldies but goodies that have been on this channel. I thank you all for staying with me, and for those of you that are just joining this channel, welcome. I hope you like it. Make sure you please like my video, share my video, comment. That motivates me to do more videos. But if I'm just posting, you're just watching, not liking, it doesn't motivate you to do more. So this is how it comes in, like so, and then it comes in with this cute brush. Yes, I just think it's too small. I'm used to this so that I can have more control, but it comes with this, and you put this to give it a more. Okay, so this is how it looks. I don't know if this is dark enough for me by just looking at it, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's see. It says dark brown, so I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But let's use the concealer and see. I don't know. So this is how it looks, and we are going to clean it up. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna trust the process. Alright, you guys, so this is how it's looking. I'm gonna take my spoolie, gonna spray. What do you guys think? Nice. Alright, so let's do the other one. I'm gonna speed up that video. Let's see. Okay. I don't like it much. No. I don't know. I don't like it much. What do you guys think? Let me go with a different concealer. I think it's the concealer. Okay, I think I like it better now that I changed the concealer. Maybe I will use the doe makeup but not brows, but I kind of like it now. Yeah, but I would definitely change the brush. If anything, I would change the brush because I want something I can definitely have control over and see, you know. Maybe I'll buy one of these ones at the store, which is Nicka K, and yeah, and use that instead of this. And this one is really straining me, so. But other than that, I like it. It says it's gel eyebrow pomade, long lasting, smooth and easy applicator. What do you guys think? I think it's okay. So this is dark brown that I'm using, so let me know down below, okay? Bye now.